Dividing by fractions does not exist on my whiteboard. Okay, sorry for the Karate Kid quote there. What we're gonna do is multiply by the reciprocal, dude. Oh my gosh, just yeah, I don't like dividing. So I'm multiplying. I'm flipping this guy. I'm flipping this second guy. So I'm gonna flip this to 3/4. Ooh. And what can we do with multiplying fractions? We can cross cancel. I love it. I love it. 2 and 4 both divisible by 2. 2 is a factor of both. This becomes 1. This becomes 2. Oh, 3 and 3 cross cancel. Boom. 1 and 1. We multiply what's left. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Oh, that equals 1/2. Let's see if the magic happens again. 8/3 divided by 12/9. I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to re-render it as 8/3 times 9/12. Oh, what luck. We can do a lot of cross canceling. 3 and 9. Ooh, 3 is a factor of both. That goes once. That goes 3 times. 8 and 12. Oh, I'm thinking 4. Let's do 4 and 12. That goes 3. 4 and 8. That goes 2. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm just going to clean this up in one more step. 2 times 3 is 6. And that's over 3. And that simplifies to 2. Okay, let's do one more. 3/4 divided by 1/8. That's going to be 3/4. Flip the second one. I didn't circle the last one. I'm going to flip the 1/8. That becomes 8/1. Okay, cool. We got some cross canceling going on. 4 and 8. 4 is a factor of both. That goes 1 time. 4 and 8 goes 2 times. So we're left with 3 times 2 on the top. That's 6 is numerator. 1 times 1 is 1 in the denominator. Oh, 6/1. That simplifies to the integer 6. Awesome, guys. Keep up the good work.